In this tutorial, we'll be learning how to loop through arrays in Node.js JavaScript using a few different techniques. And to make it a bit more fun, we'll be working with a list of Star Wars characters. Here we've created an array of Star Wars characters. Now, let's start by using a for loop to iterate over this array. In this for loop, we're starting with an index of 0, since arrays in JavaScript are 0 indexed, and we're continuing until we've reached the length of the array. Each time through the loop, we're logging out the current character. As you can see, our for loop has successfully printed out each character in our array. But there's another way to achieve this same result using the forEach method. Now let's use the forEach method to loop through the same array. This method is a bit simpler and more readable than the for loop. The forEach method takes a function as an argument, which is executed for each element in the array. Here, we're simply logging each character. As you can see, the forEach method provides the same result as the for loop, but it's a bit cleaner and easier to read. It's also less prone to errors, since you don't have to manually manage the index. Both methods are useful, and you can choose the one that best suits your needs. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you now feel confident looping through arrays in Node.js JavaScript using either for loops or the forEach method. Keep practicing, and may the force be with you in your coding journey.